Yo, 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 what is good, YouTube family? And we are back with another one. And yo, Snow, you're not gonna have me dancing this time. I'm telling you that right now. Telling you that right the fuck now. But what's the name? Snow dropped a new joint. How late am I? How late is my Dominican? Oh, 2 days late. Dominican time ain't crazy today. The Dominican time ain't crazy today. So only 2 days late. Give you a like real quick. Avioncito. Yo, so Avioncito is little plane or plane, whatever y'all want to call it, little plane basically. So let's see what Snow talking about on this one. I'm guessing this is probably going to be Spanish and English, maybe just Spanish. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, man. So if you here and you just found my pretty face for the first time, how you doing? My name is Ace. We do reactions to all types of music. We love music on the channel. We love Snow the Product on the channel. She is one of the dopest female artists that we cover on the channel, and she's straight up fire. So if you fucks with Snow, definitely hit that subscribe button, or if you just fuck with music, definitely hit the subscribe button, notification bell, smash that like button, and follow me on Instagram right there. All right, let's get to it. Let's see what she's talking about on this one. Cheers. Okay, Bad Bunny, relax yourself. Let me turn that up. Sound like Bad Bunny right there.
¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor. ¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor.
Let me put the subtitles on for people that don't understand Spanish. Do I have to? Yeah, I gotta switch it. Auto translate. Damn, do I need my glasses? Where are you? English, there you go. All right, let's do that again.
¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor.
Ay, dímelo.
¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. Tanto tiempo que dijiste que todo era tan difícil, que tus amistades dicen que mi nombre andaba en chismes, que tu familia te exige que ya te comprara el ticket pa' irte pa' donde viniste, que te cansas de decirme que mi estilito de vida ya no te parece.
Bro, the flow, everything sounds so Bad Bunny like. It's crazy, but classic Bad Bunny, not this. Like I'm not a crazy fan of the new Bad Bunny album. Not a crazy fan, but what's the name? This is like classic Bad Bunny, like the way she flowing and everything like that, and also the beat selection and everything like that. But it sounds good on her. It sounds good.
Dijiste adiós, que te enfadaste de no ser la prioridad. Yo trabajando pa' sacar para los dos.
Dímelo.
A mí me criaron que a la nena lo que quiera yo le di todo mi amor. Compré casa, compré carro, compré perro y al final el pinche perro me dejó.
Fuck that nigga. Fucking left her like that. What the fuck? Oh, or that bitch.
¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor.
And now she's the worst, right? But yeah, you calling me like crazy? The fuck is wrong with you? Fucking lint all over the place and shit like that.
Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor.
Facts.
¿Qué tanto me llamas? ¿Qué tanto me llamas? Si soy lo peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. Quiero un tequila más o ronda de mezcal. Traigan la banda ya, que hoy sí quiero cantar. Tóquenme todas las dientes, porque son Chalino Sánchez, de Chente hasta Pedro Infante, de Jenny a Pedro Fernández. Dame la tambora, viejas que me hagan porra, que no me dejen sola, yo que planeaba boda. Todo se fue a la
Yeah, fuck that bitch.
Tanto me llamas y soy lo peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si te va mejor.
Okay, so she's saying tequila and avioncito. So I guess in her term, avioncito is probably what's her name? Weed. That's what she said like this. So I'm guessing it's weed for her.
Que tanto me llamas, que tanto me llamas y soy lo peor. Dice que soy lo peor. Tequilita y avioncito, mientras tanto yo me quito pa' ver si me va mejor. A mí me crearon que a la nena lo que quiera, yo le di todo mi amor. Yo le di todo mi amor. Compré casa, compré carro, compré perro y al final el pinche perro me dejó.
That bitch left you. Fuck that bitch. Now that's crazy. You buy her a car, a house, a dog, and everything else. Who knows what else? And bitch still leaves you. That's fucked up. It's happening to women too, man. It's happening to women too. It's not just men, it's women too. That was cool, man. That was subtle. That was smooth, man. Like that was smooth. What's the name? By far, Been That is probably my favorite track that I have done on the channel from her. If you haven't seen that track and you're new here, definitely go check it out. It's that track is straight up fire. I got it on my playlist. That should go crazy. That should go crazy. I'm telling you. But yeah, man. It was cool, but like always, I don't care about my opinion. I care about y'all's. Definitely let me know what y'all thought of this video. And if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and follow me on Instagram right there. And yeah, man, let me know what y'all want to see next, what artists y'all want to see next, and stuff like that. And yeah, we'll add them to the list. All right. So like always, peace and love. I'm gonna see you on the next one.